Hello, everybody. Welcome to week 2. We made it through week 1, and so hopefully things are going okay for you in the beginning of the semester, and I'm getting excited to get pushing through the course. So in week 2, we're going to be looking at communication principles and skills. And we're also going to be diving a little bit deeper into the difference between nutrition education compared to that of nutrition counseling. We're going to talk a little bit this week in the lecture about how does communication occur as far as transferring information from one to another. We're going to definitely dive a little bit deeper into starting to pay attention to cultural differences in communication. In Alaska, we are an extremely diverse state, and so how people communicate with each other based on their upbringing and their culture makes a big difference. My experience working at Providence Hospital, I worked with many different cultures, and it does take some time to learn how to say something and then wait and let people respond and let people think about what they want to say. And so you are actually being present and listening to the person that you're speaking with. The Alaska Native culture is has different communication types of styles. And so if any of you are going to be moving on into doing an internship here in Alaska to become a dietitian, you will get some hands-on, live experience in doing this as you work through different sites, whether that's with the Native Health System, whether it's with Providence, Alaska Regional, places up in Fairbanks or in other parts of our state. So it is a skill and something that you're going to be using a lot throughout your training. So one thing too, again, that we're going to really focus on looking at the difference between education and counseling. And, we had mentioned, I talked about in week 1 about how this class is set up. So we do the first half, we're really focusing on nutrition education, where the second half of the class, we're really looking at starting to develop those counseling skills. So nutrition education, although many of us are looking to be nutrition professionals, nutrition education is owned by everybody in the healthcare system or the healthcare field. So whether that is physicians or nurses, physical therapists, nursing assistants, physical therapy assistants, public health workers, people working and government agencies, really nutrition education is everywhere. And so it's good to be learning about how the best way and what the best way is to provide that education. Again, if you go on to do an internship, you will get a lot more experience with both nutrition education and diving into more nutrition counseling. So my goal really for this class, in thinking about, I know that you'll get some more experience as you move down the line, but the goal for this class is to start building that foundation of some of those skills. So there are some lecture materials in this unit, so please work your way through the unit. Make sure you listen to the lecture. Dr. King provided that lecture, and it's really great. And work through the learning unit. There is nothing due by the end of this week. So, but I do want you to continue to think about what you're going to do for your lesson plan and coming up with different topics for your nutrition education lesson plan. And please, if you're struggling with a topic idea, please reach out to me and we can kind of work through that. And then again, please email me your idea or your selected topic if you haven't already done so, just so we're on the same page and before you put a lot of work into it, that it's an okay topic. So anyway, I hope you have a great week. And again, please feel free to reach out and enjoy the week.